greatness, this, that, there. No rules. Remember me telling you. You see what I say? Bad mind can't stop you again. Remember me telling you. No care on the chat. Sold out already. Remember me telling you.
A few moments later.
Me lad, we probably make them over there on the Gaza for years now and not today. I found 2016 way back. I probably make them.
One eternity later.
Okay, we gonna enjoy that concert, right? Behave. You see a nice pretty girl you like, offer a nice beverage, a little chicken strip from the stand, you know, honey mustard, fries. May
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them?
People are gonna don't know Media Fox now, people. Yo, all of the Vendetta man them, you know. On a roll out that girl, the Vendetta girl my plan for you know. Yeah man, the Vendetta girl them I say yo, you better forward out on the A game car. Them out for the spring. You understand? But here with that girl I say.
please be on your best behavior because we are rolling as deep. We will jump you. Don't disrespect no woman come Saturday at the Barclays. Don't get crazy because 1 for all, 2 for all. We built a heavy bond. Okay? We built a heavy bond on the love of being a Vendetta gal. So just know, don't get crazy with no female on Saturday at the Barclays. We absolutely will put hands and feet on you and still enjoy the concert and get you escorted out, okay? I just got to say that because some of these men be disrespectful. But I just want to let y'all know that I don't care. Each one teach one, we roll together, okay? We gonna enjoy that concert, right? Behave. You see a nice petite girl you like, offer a nice beverage, a little chicken strip from the stand, you know, honey mustard, fries. Be gentlemen. I want to see gentlemen in the building. I want to see...
Yo, the girl in my father of even that man them, you know. So look here now. Yeah man, if I see a girl them there, the man just, you know, if you don't want to buy a drink or something, and say, you see me? Yeah, and a bag of rushing and, you know, some wrong approach and certain things. You see it? Because when you don't know if Vendetta girl them stay ready. You see me? Top tier.
Nice, clean man in the building. Smell nice and clean, you know? Fix up yourself. Fresh cut. Okay, I want the gentleman to come out looking nice. Right. Because the girl them is already ready. I already see. I see the girls in my comments. Hot. Ready. The girls I'm rolling with at Simpsons. Hot girls. Ready. So all I had to let the men know, behave yourself. You see a pretty girl? Proper. Act proper. Ask her she want a drink. You know, a nice little chicken strip, burger, fries. You know? Don't come leading with nonsense. Right. Message. And baby, the hot girls are outside on Saturday. When I see the girls, them...
Yeah, man, them have to know what I go on, man, but you see Shocking Murray make a talk, you see me? You have to hear what I go on, is it?
Alkaline Barclays Center show is sold out, said the promoter, CJ Milan. That's a damn good look for dancehall. I hope that every dancehall supporter rejoice right now because just when a dancehall artist win, dancehall win.
Shocking Murray, to be honest, you know, I not saw them see it, you know. Yeah, man. I not saw them see it. It's when one person I do it, yeah, dancehall I win. But when any other person I do it, and a dancehall I win. I saw them do it. You see me? I remember when Alkaline forward out and him say, I want to see some young youths boss and run the place. Young youths, he want some young youths boss now. You see me? Yeah, Alkaline always want, you know, more artists forward in their business and, you know, and do them thing. But when I know the massive, them no want that. Them no want see other artists will contribute to the genre if make it out there. And I know say, yo, brother, that's the only way the face of dancehall can grow, bro. You see me? The more the genre can spread out there when them see bag of artists I do some great music, pull out some great crowd, dominate. You have artists in the US, 10 artists are locked down US, 10 are locked down UK, 10 are locked down Africa. You see me? Couple are locked down the Caribbean them. When all of them staging and all of them people are pull out just to see the dancehall artists, them and we are dominate the world. That's how we can, that's the only way we can dominate the world. You see me? Because if we not go pre where one person do over here, so warm to the rest of the world, we get dominated. We need more artists to get the highlight and them look at thing there. And that grow the thing. You see me? So, I don't think of that them want. You see it?
And I would like to say, more of the young youth them come sell out them places too, you know. Massacre and them youth there and Skeng and you know the youths them. Some of them I don't remember them name. Yes, and some of the female artists them I want to sell about them because sell out them place at all.
Yeah, man, that more, man. That more too. But sometimes the female artists, them kind of have a high ego thing, you know. It's like, you know, them not really united like that. When you say two man do calabar, two man talk up artists on a stage, it's like the female them, I don't know, it's like, I know, them just stay in them own lane, is it? Yeah, man, but a real thing, we need to see some more artists, you know, out there do some big moves, is it? Yeah.
Like Shensi and all Spice and you know me I deal with let me tell you something, there's a female artist now, one of my favorite female artists now, she named Ikea. And she did to the song I said, Ikea is a powerful man. Because that song we sent that to. And enough more of the young artists them and the veteran them. See it? Win-win for the dancehall. I want to see them face of frowns up around the night, you know. You know, see it.
Them done a frowns up face already, you know. You see me, cause Alkaline doing a Barclays. Them not too like hear that. You see it. But at the end of the day, the youth represent dancehall same way, you see me?
Everybody, if you just clap for dancehall right now, we could push the genre further and where if you go. Big up yourself, Alkaline, and big up the promoter CJ Milan, and big up the whole of dancehall, and big up all dancehall artists. One love. Right there, sir. Shut.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man, people. You see me, a real thing. Real thing, you see it? Yeah, man, so basically, me with that brother, I say, you see it?
Sir, no matter who you try for that youth, it just not work. Alka, congratulations, youth. Well done. Me glad. We probably make them over there for the Gaza for years now and not today. After 2016, way back. I probably make them.
And sometimes I wonder, you know, like, when I know that, sometimes I just feel like the man them are some undercover fans, bro. Like, everything with Alkaline I do, bro, is like, the man them just judge you. They tell you, say, man, I pull up ticket, everything. Them must say, your ticket cheap, this is very, this is that. And at the end of the day, a dancehall, the youth are representing, you know, dancehall. Them not want, it's like them not want to see nobody else do it. All them have to do just congrats and go through, you know. Yeah, man, just congrats and go through. Youth young, and him do them big moves, yeah. It's a great look for the culture, but I don't know. You see me, I don't know Alka take with them or what Alkaline really do them, is it?
One hit for them can't scratch over there. Well done, though, youth.
Yeah, man, I saw it thing go, you know. I saw it thing go. Is it?
Alkaline is making history as the youngest dancehall solo artist to headline at the Barclays Center this weekend on March 21st. He's 32 years old.
People, you know what the funniest thing, people? You know, say Barclays Center bill the year before Alkaline bust. So basically, Barclays Center bill 2012. See? And Alkaline bust about 2013. You see me? Yeah, I think I want him get 1, 2, 3, something like so. And for say, yo, what? 11 years after? 11 years after a youth show out the show now. You understand? Them I try to show you, say, yo, it's a good look for the artist, it's a good look for dancehall. That's all me have to say. You understand? That's all me have to say, people. Because the youth just gone, remember, you know, the youth just gone 13 years since him busting, 13 people. At the age of 32, it's a good look. You understand? It's a good look. And the youth achieve a lot at his age already. Is it? It no matter. People are forward out and they must sell out the Barclays. They must forward to come see him. So it's a great move for the artist. A great move for dancehall. Same way. It's a representation. Is it?
Performing live at Reggae Fest. I am honestly so jealous that I can't go to New York right now and see this show.
Enough people link me now and say, yo, John, them not gonna reach because they have to do something and, you know, some, you see me, I say it go still and everybody I go do it. I say it I go miss out, you see me. Me now go do it. Same way, you see me. Yeah, I say things set. But at the end of the day, we must be there one day or somewhere other day. You see me? Yeah, because you don't know, you might go in a back, you know, I think you might be up to the line or maybe there one day. You see it, you might be up to the line in a Jamaica. You see it, up to the line, the March 28th. You see it, so look out for that one there too. You see me? Yeah, man.
now added to the list of iconic Jamaican artists that have performed at the Barclays Center in New York alongside Vibes Cartel and Buju Banton. The venue holds about 19,000 people and tickets are currently selling for about $90 to $800 for.
So basically, no, on 19,000. On 19,000. That capacity is for the 360 setup. You understand? But the setup that Alkaline is doing, which is a new /reggae fest, for them setup accommodate about 15 plus, 50k plus, but it's not 19,000. You understand? Yeah. The 19,000 is for 360 stage. Stage in the middle, yeah, and the people them go around the stage, yeah. But the next stage, nobody not going to be behind the stage. You see it, but they do that with Alkaline, put a few people around there. You see me? So it's a good look for the artist, good look for dancehall. Yeah, I want to just congratulate the youth. He's young and he's achieving a lot at a young age. You understand? I have to big him up for that and the work we put in all over the years. You see me?
Premium seats. Let me know in the comments if you guys are attending Reggae Fest. Let me know if you're excited for Alkaline to headline. I want to know your thoughts.
Yeah, man, people. It's a great look for the artist, yeah, man. May I tell the people. Great look for the artist, may I tell you that. Great look. You see me? Okay, I think that brother, yeah, in the outside.
Imagine a youth from Jamaica, from Akiwa, fight him way to the top. And say, him a go be great. And say, him know him a go be great. Right, so this Saturday. Shellings. Oh, Jamaica.
Yo, one thing, I tell you, man, them well outside, you know, people. Yeah. If I'm with you, I see you with a video Barclays, you know. I tell you, man, a video Barclays, you're free, man, I represent. Big up yourself, youth. You see, I think him name Frost Boss. Yeah, man, make sure like it look like him live near Barclays or something. So every time I pass him, make sure video it and say, yo, new rules. You see me? Yeah, man, it's gonna be a magnificent show, people. Trust me. It's gonna be a wonderful show. You see it? Very wonderful show for the artists. And it is a good look for dancehall. It's a very good look. May I tell you people, don't take it lightly. You know, if you're a youth where him still young in the game, him not gone 2 decades, 3 decades. You understand? Yeah, and him a do this already. And to be honest, him alone out a young generation, like film generation, yeah, him alone really do this. You see me? And it's a good look. There are more artists coming up where maybe can tap into this. You see me? Yeah, because I want the culture grow and thing. You see me? Yeah.
Jamaica people so bad mind. Why them not want to see greatness? Jaja, that's why we can't reach out in our life, you know, because we can't stop greatness. See there? Greatness, this, that, there. No rules. Remember me telling you. You see what I say? Bad mind can't stop her again. Remember me telling you. They can't chat. So loud already. Remember me telling you.
Yeah, man. You can't stop greatness. And you can't stop great music. You can't stop great artists. You see me? Because remember I see him haters, them can change them mouth, you know. You see me? Them just want to have something to say. But them don't know say, yo, brother, sometimes more in the fight people and more the artists get stronger, you know. You see me? And when you just go and eat and say, yo, till you just give up when you can't do nothing. You see me? You know, say, yo, the youth do it, yeah, man. You see me? The youth do it. But you don't know Barclays Center, open to get on a ticket and, you know, ready for the show, cause that show, yeah, why, me I tell you. It's not going to be a normal one. You see it? A bag of thing I got talk, a bag of this and bag of this I got go on. Me I tell you that, people. A bag of thing them I got say. You see it? But we know it go already. A Alkaline and, you know, one of the most hated dancehall artists. You see me? I'm going to say a bag of thing and more gold posts and all of them little things. You see it? But you don't know the artists I do what him I do. Because him not really watch the haters. You see it? Him just do the job. And that get the hell up out of there. You see it? Because you can't make what people say bring you down or, you know? People say anything, you can't make words really get to you. You see it? Because I see them people, we say nay, we say ray tomorrow. You see it? Yeah, man. People mouth can't change anytime, you know. Yeah, I remember say true Alkaline is an artist where him just stay by himself, him just sit down and a chat up with them. Yeah man, he would be them favorite. Yeah man, he would be them favorite man, but you don't know Barclays Center go loud people. May I tell you. Loud. Hits after hits. May I tell you that. And the girls them a forward out enough. The gangs them a forward out enough. You see it? Vendetta in a Barclays Center. You can't really get nothing more than that. You see me? Cause the fan base is strong. Strong through the fight and the battles. Juggernaut. You see me? Yeah. So we just have to just congratulate the youth. Where I achieve now in a young stage. You see me? Cause say we have to congratulate before it's too late, you know. And remember, Alkaline said them gonna see the wagon a pass and can't roll out. Remember me tell her that. Cause the youth have a plan. You see me? The youth have a plan. But them can't know. I just wait till it's too late. You see me? Cause everything will make sense soon, you know. Yeah man, everything will make sense soon. And selling out the Barclays is a part of that soon as well, but more to come. You understand? More to come because you notice the Alkaline sell out the Barclays in a Barclays Center, right? And a lot of people are talk about it. Like, trust me, people talking about it. Like, yo, I think people learn about arenas just because of Alkaline. Based on pulling up tickets, them a check ticket costs. How much amount you pull. You understand? A lot of things them I learn. I tell you that. Cause why the amount of people may say pull up Alkaline ticket. Them want it for not sell off. I may have to just laugh. I say watch ya. Right now not even know so now promote the youth show. Cause people out there in the world are listen to it, you know, brother. And once them say yo now yet a young youth who do great things, them are gonna support the youth. Cause him have good music out there where them a listen to. You see me? But I saw it go. You just not understand where really are going. Is it? But I have to big up the artist and him team and big up the promoter. You don't know CJ. You see me? Yeah man, you have to big up her man. Cause she rate how she have the access to certain things where the dancer space can get them highlight off her. You don't know. She have the Barclays thing where, you know, she have put on the show them in a Barclays and, you know, highlight giants them and highlight the artists them who, you know, who are forward up. You don't know the next new generation after generation, is it? So it's a good look for dancehall. You see me? Dancehall in a Barclays Center, you see me? Representing Alkaline. You see it? So you think that people have to just congratulate the artists, put in the work to accomplish this. You see it? Yeah man, but people when you don't know, one media facts, you know what things said. That is it.